Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial. Now this tutorial is actually how you can go right ahead and convert an MKV file to an MP4 file. So the reason why I'm actually doing this tutorial is because sometime back I did a video regarding a Sony a6400 that I recently purchased. And I was just kind of doing a quick unboxing and kind of setup tutorial as well. And unfortunately, I forgot to change the actual export file to be saved instead of an MKV, basically saving it as an MP4. Now, this became an issue because as soon as I was trying to edit it, unfortunately, that MKV file was unable to actually, open in Adobe Premiere, and I couldn't really do anything whatsoever. So I had to find a solution somewhat fairly quickly. Now, hence the video, this is why I'm actually showing, you how to go right ahead and do that. So I hope basically this video will actually help possibly maybe some content creators that might have basically, unfortunately, been like me, that I just basically forgot to change that to save as an MP4. But yeah, nonetheless, let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So the software I'm going to be using, it's actually called HandBrake. So let me go ahead and show you exactly where you can download it. So just open up a web browser and go right ahead and type in handbrake.fr. Or if not, you could just go right ahead and just, search HandBrake in basically Google or any search engine. Once you're here, you're going to go right ahead and download it. So you could go right ahead and click on this red button, download HandBrake 1.9.0. Once you have the software, of course, let's go right ahead and install it. For the install process, basically just hit next. Of course, licensing agreement, next. Here is just the destination folder. So default would be fine. Install. This will take a couple of, oh, there we go. Not even a couple of minutes, just basically just right off the bat, it already finished. For this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and yes, I'll leave that selected as create desktop shortcut, hit finish. So now that the software is installed, basically the only thing you gotta do is just basically drag the file that you're trying to convert. So I already have one here. So this was actually one of the files that I had to go right ahead and convert. So as you can see, it is a .mkv. At this point, just go right ahead and just basically drop it in. The software basically loads everything up, and basically nothing really extravagant that you need to go right ahead and do. By default, it already selects MP4 for the format of the file. Now, one of the things that you can actually do is there's 3 different options. So of course, MP4, MKV, which we already have, but we want to convert, and WebM. So one of the things that's also set on default is actually the resolution. So you can already see it's, here, I'll show you just the different options for resolutions, but the default one is 1080p. Now you can go right ahead and change that if you'd like, but for me, I'm just going to keep that to default. At this point, there's a little bit more options. You can actually go into dimensions if you want to go right ahead and basically kind of, do some changes there. You can also go into filters, video. So this, you can actually change the video encoder. So if you want to go right ahead and select something else, the audio, subtitles, and chapters. Alrighty, so those are some of the options. Now let's go right ahead and basically, let's go right ahead and export it. So once you verify everything is good, the save as file, so this, you can actually change it. For right now, I'm just going to keep it to the default. It's just going to go into my videos folder. And then once you're ready to start, let's go ahead and just click on start encode. So once it starts, you can actually start seeing the actual progress bar just down here. And you can actually see that it's encoding and it's past 1 of 1. And basically it'll tell you time remaining and then elapsed time as well. So it's going to take a couple of minutes, so I'll see you in a little bit. So HandBrake went right ahead and actually already finished converting everything to MP4. So let's go ahead and check out that video. And there is the video. So as you can see, the extension is .mp4. So everything should be good. I'm just going to go ahead and open up, make sure everything is working correctly. Hey, how's it going, everybody? And there it is. So we successfully basically converted a .mkv file to an MP4 file. Alrighty everybody, that is the end of this tutorial. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.